Hey guys, how to hide your LinkedIn public profile. So go ahead and click your avatar icon on the top left, the little button, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the settings gear at the top right in the banner. And then you're gonna see right here the settings. Go ahead and click visibility, the third option. And then you're gonna see profile viewing option, page visit visibility, edit your public profile. So we're gonna go ahead and edit public profile, right? And from there you can just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna find right here your profile's public visibility. And you can set it to basic, like name, number of connections, number of followers, and region, or just profile photo, right? Only first degree connections, LinkedIn members directly connected to you. Or you can, scroll up and down right here and turn off the background photo, headline, summary, current experience details, past experience details, education, and all that stuff, right? So basically, if you want to make your account private, you can just turn these off. But if you want the people who are looking out for you, or looking up for your account, you can just go ahead and limit their access from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.